guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Hey guys, it's Marissa again, working on our Christmas project still. This is the project we're gonna work on today. This is what I call flat top milk box because, well, it looks like a milk box and it's got a flat top, and I really enjoyed this, working on this. In fact, I created a few gifts for my friends already and they really loved it. I created this with the Pink and Main Frosty kit, and the kit comes with the Pink and Main 6x6 paper pad here. They're double-sided, pretty cute papers. And then with the kit comes the stamp set, which is the flurries, and then it comes with 4 other mini ink pads. This is what I use to create this cutie. But since I want to do something different today, and today I'm going to use this cheer layout kit from Kiwi Lane. And I decided, these are of all the cute papers in here, I decided to use this blue one. I think it's really cute, but there's a lot of other cute papers in here. Again, they're all double-sided, high-quality papers from Kiwi Lane. If you're interested, I have my link below so you can place an order for this kit and also for other Kiwi Lane templates. Along with this paper, I'm going to use a scrap white piece of paper to stamp the flurries. And then, of course, we have another paper here, cardstock, which measures 8 by 10.5. We're going to start scoring our cardstock here. We start at 2.5, at 5, at 7.5, and at 10. Then we turn our paper this way. We start again from 1. Hold on, let me make sure that that went. At 1, at 3, and then at 6. So that's 1, 3, and 6. Start creasing or folding our creases. Now I'm going to show you where this intersects, this line and this line intersect. We're going to cut this out, and I'm going to go ahead and miter it because this is a straight line, and I'm going to miter it that way. And then on this side, I'm going to go ahead and again, from that point, this is the intersection here, I'm going to miter it on that side too. So this is where I'm going to cut. And there, here, and here. So let's start cutting. On this side, I'm going to go ahead and miter this, cut this a bit. This is the straight line here, and I'm just going to cut this a bit. And then I'm going to do the same thing here where this line intersects. I'm going to make a small V right here. Same thing with this, because this is where it intersects, a small sliver of V right there. So do you see where it straights? I can't even draw. I'm such a bad drawer. So anyway, I think you get the gist of this. Okay, I'm not totally going to make it this wide, but just a little bit, a little sliver, if you will, like that much sliver at the most. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And cut our sliver, and then again our sliver here. Again, I'm not cutting right on the line, but I'm just cutting a little sliver, just so when we put this together, the ends or the corners don't show too much, and they're gonna be they're gonna be flatter. I know I kind of drew a bigger line, but you see what I'm saying? So I can erase the lines later. And besides, this is going to be at the bottom. So this is just for you guys to, you know, for people like me who are very visual. I am going to cut 2 flaps here. So I'm going to have to determine the front and the back. And I think this is going to be my front, which means this 2 on the side, and this is going to be obviously my back. So this means I'm going to put an X here. I'm going to put an X here. Right? See, this is the front, this is the back. So what I'm going to do here, where I have the flaps that are X'd, I'm going to go ahead and cut this through to where the intersection is. See that? And then cut this down again and do it on this side too. So what I'm going to do next is take this flap and cut it out. So just follow the crease line that we have created to make sure that it is cut straight, okay? And then on this next one that I want to cut, I'm going to fold this down so that it'll be out of the way. Fold this down so that it'll be out of the way. And then cut this one. So let's clean our mess here. So this is now our box, right? Okay, I'm not going to put this together yet because I want to go ahead and cut and make a wallpaper so that we can cover the box. I'm going to cut 2 1/4 out of this. And then I'm going to cut 2 3/4. I need 4 of those. 1, 2 3/4, 2, 3. I need another 2 1/4. And I'm going to cut 2 1 3/4. Okay, so we have this. Now I'm going to go ahead and do some stamping here. This is my Fiskars stamping press that I'm going to use to stamp. And I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use a fountain from this kit from Pink and Main. And for the snowflakes, I'm going to use cobblestone. So let me go ahead and put flurries over here. We're going to use the fountain ink here and ink our stamp. Press it down and there you go. Oh my gosh, that's a cute blue. I'm going to go ahead and put some snowflakes around it, and I'm going to position them already. And I think for this, I want this over here. I want that over here. And what I'm doing is facing down, so the sticky part or the back part is facing up. All right, so I'm going to take this down and then press it. And then ink it. And then let's position it. And there you go. Oh my gosh, that came out cute. Now we're going to get our, okay, doesn't fit. So normally when this happens, I just cut down the bottom. I don't really need the full, I normally just cut the bottom that way and see until I center flurries. Because that's what I want, is the flurries. Okay, there you go, and I'm happy with that. And punch it. This is a 2-inch punch, by the way, guys, from Fiskars again. Okay, guys, it's time to put on or wallpaper our project. I'm gonna go ahead and wallpaper our project here, and basically we're going to center this rectangular into this big shape here. We have 4 of them right here, and so we'll wallpaper that and center them in each of these rectangular shape spaces that we have here. There's one. Here's the second one. Third one. This 1 3/4 by 2 1/4, we're going to place them underneath this, the flaps. Before we put our box together, I want to go ahead and I'm going to do it this way and place dots right here and right here. I'm going to use my crocodile. I'm going to use the 1/8 inch hole. Now we're ready to put our project together. So we're going to put glue here, and I want a very sticky adhesive, so I'm going to use my tear tape here. I will double it up so it will be secure. So I'll fold it this way, and then I'll fold this in this way. So we have determined that this one here is going to be the front. So this will be the front. I'm lifting this, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this down, and then I'm going to put adhesive on here. Hope you can see this, guys. Okay, and very carefully align this and put this down. So all our flaps will now be facing the back. At this point, you can put your goodies in here. There's a lot of stuff you can fit in here. Trust me, I know. I think I was able to fit about 6 of those mini or fun size candies in here. You can put other stuff in here. After you put your treats in here, you go ahead and get a ribbon. In this case, I have a ribbon here, and this is a ribbon from Michaels. I normally cut about, maybe about 18 inches. So I kind of eyeball it. And then, this is the fun part. We're going to thread this. You thread the one side of the ribbon through the back of the hole here, the first hole. And then the other end, you also thread it on the other hole. And then try to make them as even as you can. Here's the fun part. We squeeze this in, and then we do the same thing to this side. We now put the ribbon through to this hole. Don't worry about the fraying of the ribbon at the ends right now. We will fix that later. So I'm just trying to put in the ribbon through this way. And then you crimp this, pull your ribbons up, crimp it a bit more, and pull your ribbons up. And then you make your bow. The frayed ends of your ribbon, no problem. Now you can just trim them. We need our stamped embellishment right here, and I want to pop it up. I'm going to use some 2 foam dots here, or foam squares that I have. Just take the backing off, pop it in the middle of our front. And there you go, guys. We now have 2. So whichever one you want to do, any color you want to do it. Guys, this is so easy. This is great gift packaging for smaller gifts. If you haven't subscribed yet, please help me out and subscribe. I'm trying to hit my 1,000 subscriber goal. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you later. Bye.